Open source software is computer software with its source code made available by developers to everybody to study, change, modify, enhance, and distribute. On the other hand, commercial software has source code that only the person, team, or organization that created it can edit, inspect, change, and enhance it. An enterprise license agreement (ELA) is an agreement between a vendor and a customer which provides that customers with access to the vendor's services for a fixed, predefined period of time, often with the option to extend for another period. On the other hand, a personal license is an option for private individuals who purchase a license with their own funds and solely for their own use. Personal identifiable information, any representation of information that permits the identity of an individual to whom the information applies to be responsibly inferred by either direct or indirect means. Peripheral Component Interconnect or PCI is the most common way to attach add-on controllers, cards, and other devices to a computer motherboard. This type of connector originated in the early 1990s and is still in use today. Persistently, there are three main PCI motherboard connectors, usually referred to as slots. The General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) is a legal framework that sets guidelines for the collections and processing of personal information from individuals who live and outside of European countries. Personal identifiable information. Some of the data elements that might be used to identify a certain person could consist of fingerprints, biometric data, a name, telephone number, email address, or social security numbers. For cybercriminals, PHI is a valuable personally identifiable information that can be used to identify theft, sold on the dark web, or held hostage through ransomware.